are really taking place and the peak, all of this on Wednesday.
Here to help us break it all down is James S. McDonald Planetarium Manager, Will Snyder. Will, thank you so much for joining us.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me.
And we're excited. We know we love this kind of stuff. So let's start first with the first event, which is a planetary parade. What planets will be visible, and will we be able to see them with the naked eye?
Well, there's been a lot of talk about that planetary parade, lots of articles online people might read, and they can be a little misleading. So there are planets you can see right now, but I think if people are expecting a parade, they might be a little disappointed. The good news is in the early evening hours, Venus is incredibly bright and easy to spot. It'll be the first thing above the western horizon as the sun is going down, brighter than any star you see all night. So Venus is very easy for people that don't want to get up early in the morning. But to see the rest of our planets, that is pretty much a morning event right now. Saturn rises first a little before midnight for most people, but will still be up even before sunrise. And then Mars will be nice and easy to spot too. Those are easy and visible to just your eyes. Mercury is low along the horizon, so that one can be a bit of a struggle. You do want to be careful looking close towards the horizon and the sun. But any of the other planets you might hear about, Neptune, Uranus, those are really telescope only.
Okay. Now we know the Perseid meteor shower, that's peaking Wednesday. So explain to folks why this actually occurs and what tips do you have for people who maybe want to see it?
Well, this is truly a really great year for the Perseid meteor shower. So the Perseids happen every year in August, and the peak is coming up, as you mentioned, on the night of the 12th into the 13th. But what makes this year so special is that that peak falls right near new moon. Any of that light that our moon puts off in the sky makes it harder to see some of the fainter shooting stars you might be looking forward to. So the fact that this peaks near new moon is excellent for anyone hoping to see shooting stars overhead. And we get to experience this event every year when the Earth passes through a trail of debris in space, left behind by a comet that littered this part of our solar system with little bits of dust and debris that get superheated in our atmosphere and create those beautiful shooting stars that people are really looking forward to. So this is a great year for it, and I'm excited for people to hopefully have clear skies.
And and we're showing the sky cover forecast actually while you're talking, so that's perfect timing. But it peaks on one night, but you can see it on adjacent nights too, right? Tuesday night or Thursday night?
Absolutely. So while the peak is where you will see the most shooting stars in the sky, some articles will say upwards of 100, which if you live anywhere near city lights, you won't be able to see quite that many. But going out near the peak gives you the best chance. But anytime you go out this week, you might see some stray shooting stars, and it's always worth looking up.
Always indeed. Well, speaking of looking up, there's something else to check out, the solar eclipse that's happening over Western Europe on Wednesday. Tell us a bit more about what is happening with that.
Well, solar eclipses really are that showstopper event in the sky. A lot of people in the United States probably remember back in 2024 or 2017 getting to experience totality, where the moon seems to completely block the sun in the sky, and you can see for several minutes that beautiful corona that surrounds our star overhead. For areas in Western Europe that get to experience that, that is the main event that everyone looks forward to. But there are places in the United States that on August 12th in the middle of the afternoon will get various parts of a partial solar eclipse. Not as exciting as totality, but the main thing you want to watch for is safety. So whenever you're looking at the sun for those partial phases, people don't want to look directly at the sun with their eyes. They need to use safe viewing habits, being solar glasses or indirect methods. And hopefully they'll have clear skies for that too.
Well, if we all have our solar eclipse glasses from the last eclipse, can you reuse them or do they expire?
So many manufacturers do put expiration dates on those, so you do want to be careful with using older solar glasses. You don't want to take any risks when it comes to your eyes, of course. And the other thing, even if the expiration date might be good, you need to make sure they've been stored well. You didn't want to just throw them in a drawer after the last one and have pens and who knows what else rolling over them. So solar eclipse glasses are pretty cheap, a lot of resources for people available that want those, and I would always recommend starting with something new.
So we have so many things going on right now. Is this kind of a normal thing to have all these celestial events happening kind of at the same time?
Well, I think that's a really cool thing for us right now, that we live in this vast universe and there truly are amazing things happening overhead all the time. I think we've had a couple of slow months throughout the first part of the spring and summer, so right now in August it feels like a lot is happening between the planets we can see, that solar eclipse for some people, and the Perseids. And at the end of this month, many people will get to see a lunar eclipse as well.
And it all coincides with some warm summer nights, makes you want to go outside and look up all night long. Will Snyder from the James S. McConnell Planetarium Manager there, thank you so much for joining us.
Absolutely, thank you.
And be sure to tune in on Wednesday to watch the solar eclipse.
Yeah, from partial eclipse to totality, we're going to have complete coverage. It's going to be right here on America's Morning Headquarters.
When allergies throw a sucker punch, the power of Claritin D